In this week's episode of Crypto Harvest, we are going to see if we can maintain $30 a day earnings just from our interest, from our farms, and our liquidity pools. So let's get right to it. We are starting with Goose Finance. Okay, so we harvested all our egg with a 0.53% price impact. Our total egg to BNB conversion in USD will be equivalent to $57.81. So let's go ahead and approve the transaction. There we go. Which means in our calculator now, we can just add in 57.8-ish. So looks like it's dropping, but we'll see with the other farm. So next up is Olive. So for Olive, we made around 28.81 in USD. So we're just going to convert it to BUSD and add it back to the, well, we might not add it back to the pool. So what I like to do normally is I have my big hitters, right? I have my Goose, my Olive, etc. And those I'll convert to their, like, to another token that I can then add back into the smaller farms so that eventually our smaller farms can start earning more money. So this stays the same. So like usually what I do is like for these farms, these 4 farms, I'll have these farms earnings fund the remaining 5 farms here, and also these farms on a monthly basis. That way, eventually these numbers will sort of be more in line with these. So ideally, I want everything more even because there's a risk that Goose Finance goes under and then I'm screwed because now, what is this? This is like a fourth of my entire earnings is just gone, right? So what I want is I want everything to be kind of like 5% of the portfolio. It's the same as when you're investing, right? You want to make sure that that your investments are diversified, so it lowers the risk of like one stock going down and you losing everything. Anyways, that kind of explains my thought process. I'm going to now do Harul. All right, so Harul has made us 1230. So we'll go ahead and confirm this rate and pocket that into our account. We have to swap a bit. I had to use CowSwap to swap this because ApeSwap wasn't really working. So here we received 1230. So I'll go ahead and add that to our bank account. 1230. Okay, next one now on the list is Salt. So same process, I'll show you Salt. So our Salt has made us 34. So let's go ahead and bucket that in, $34. Yep, next one. Okay, so in RBH, we made around $15. So let's go ahead and update this, drop it by 1 to 15. All right, so Dino has made us around $20. So let's go ahead and update this to 20.9. All right. Okay, so Thunder made us around 5.3. So let's go in and update Thunder to 5.3. This actually gets out. So Thunder is now part of our month. Actually, no, I think Thunder, we should still keep it as a monthly. So I think here I just made the mistake and transferred it. This should actually go out. There we go. Okay, so everything has been updated. All of these numbers have been updated for you. You don't have to watch me do it. So now on a daily, we make 30.51. I think this is around very similar to what we were making before last week. So no changes there, which is good. We want stuff to be consistent. So that means on a weekly, we make $213. We made $213 this week alone. Monthly, we're making 4x that, so $854. And on an annual basis, we make $11,000. When converted to Canadian, we're looking at around $15,500 a year that you're just adding to your income. Our current net worth is around $27,000 with our additional contributions of the monthly amount, compounded monthly, expected annual growth rate around 20%. Seems high. It actually isn't that high considering most of our farms earn us around 30% ROI. With the number of years compounding of 20 years, giving our compound age of 48, our final value when we are at age 48 of $4.1 million. Assuming we apply the 4% rule, annually we can take home $165,000. This is in USD. And for retirement, essentially. So this is awesome. We're making good progress. We like not seeing too many changes. If Bitcoin goes down, we stay around the same. If it goes up, we profit even more. Even if it goes down, we make money because of our annual harvesting amount of $11,000. So that is it for today's video. There is one more thing that I want to show you. It is this new pool that I made. It's called a SPY B WBNB. I'm just messing around with it right now. It hasn't hit our range yet, but basically what it is it's the tokenized SPY pairing, and I paired it with BNB. Right now it's all BNB, so if BNB goes up or if SPY goes down, it'll become in range and we're going to make money. If it doesn't, we still hold BNB. We love BNB. Nothing wrong with that. So this just gives us some leverage into that, into like the asset environment, not just in crypto. So eventually I think I'm going to lean more towards that. So with that being said, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Remember to like and comment down below what you want to see in next week's video. And with that being said, Crypto Harvest, peace out.